Week 7, the roles, boundaries, and essential practices of the missional interpreter, language and cultural bridging skills. During this week, we'll develop 2 forums. In one, the conversation will revolve around the issue of roles, boundaries, and essential practices of the missional interpreter. One of the main roles an interpreter carries out is that of language and cultural broker. Many people realize and relate to the concept that people speak different languages, and therefore there's a need for a way to facilitate conversation by bridging this language gap. On the other hand, many people do not understand that an equal and sometimes larger complication are differences caused by culture. The way we see things as a result of our heritage and background can blind us to what others think and do. We do not understand why they don't do the things we do and why they can't understand what is going on apart from the language. The interpreter not only is called on to facilitate conversation, but also to help people understand the cultural divide that causes people to act and respond differently due to their background. As such, the interpreter becomes more visible and in some cases takes on the role of advocate. During the discussion, we will try to understand when this is appropriate and when it's frowned upon. The second forum will be a review of all aspects of interpreting. We will discuss the aspects of interpreting discovered up to this point. The purpose of this forum will be to recap the various aspects of interpreting, creating a systematic understanding of the missional interpreter. This will also be a way to prepare for next week's final exam. Again, the reading assignment is a collaborative learning venture. The videos assigned for this week are called Qualified Interpreters for Quality Healthcare and Stanford School of Medicine Working with Professional Interpreters. The collection of video URLs being gathered may provide a more appropriate video for the material being discussed. If you find one, watch it and share why it should be the primary video for this week's discussion. Regardless of which video you choose to watch, let us know what key principles of interpreting you're discovering as you watch the video. Independent reading, reference development, video development, and question creation will finish this week. This is the week the book report is due from your independent reading. It will also be the last time new additions can be made to the reference and question section. The video will be presented next week and therefore needs to be drawing to a conclusion now.